Hey everyone, Denise here and welcome back to the 30-day workout plan for beginners. Today we're on day 16. The program itself has gone from 15 to 20 minutes up to a half an hour, so why don't we get right to it. Instead of only doing 15 reps of each exercise, we're going to be doing 20. As we know, what you want to do before any exercise is you want to do some stretches first. This way it reduces any chance of injury when you do the actual workouts. So let's get right to it. So the first exercise we're going to do today, we're going to do with a weight, just one. We're going to work on some back fat and some love handles with this one called chops. And so what you do is you stand with your feet somewhat apart, your arms up in the air, and you want to come down. We did this once before. You should know how to do it. We did 15 of them last time. Today we're going to do 20. All right, 20 on each side. Here we go. Really pull it down. 1, 2, 10 more, halfway done. 15, 5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Do this one in the back of your thigh too. That's good. All right, the other leg. Oh. Here we go. 10, come on, 10 more. 2 more. 19, and 20. Oh. How about you? I just worked up a sweat. Whew. That was good. So let's keep going. Working on our glutes here and our thighs with squats. We're going to do 20 of them. Now you can either put your hands in front of you and come down, or you can put your hands on the side and come down. Want to keep your feet flat on the ground. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. I know it's kind of hard when you go down. And go down as far as you can. This is not like a competition. All right, let's do 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 15. Do these last 5. Get down as far as you can. 16. Ooh, 17. 18. 19. Oh, and 20. Yowza. I feel that. Oh. Stretch out those muscles right there. All right, let's keep moving on. So, we're going to do some leg raises. We're going to do 20 each leg. This is good for your thighs and your glutes. We've done these before, so just rest your arm like this. Kind of bend your one leg, put your other one out. We're going to go 1. All right? Let's do 20 of them. Here we go. 2, keep going. We're going to do 20 sit-ups. Just the regular basic ones. I want you to lay down, bend your legs. If you're feeling brave, put your legs out. I'm not. And let's do 20. Here we go. 1. 2. You should start feeling it in your stomach. 11. 3 more. 18. 19. 1 more. And 20. Oh, really started to feel it down there. Right on. All right, let's keep going. We're going to do my favorite bridges. We're going to do 20 of them, and remember on the last one, keep it up for as long as you can. All right, lay down, bend your legs, get yourself comfy. You're going to be here for a few. And here we go. 3. Make sure you squeeze when you bring up. 4. 5 more. 16. 17. 18. 19. Leave one up. All as you can. Ready. Squeeze. Really hard. Get here. Feel your butt. Inhale here. I'm coming down. You can leave yours up. By all means, keep going. Oh. Perfect. Okay, so the last one we're going to do is we're going to continue on with the 30-day plank challenge. And today we're up to 80 seconds. Do it if you can. If you can't hold for 80, that's fine. You can always try again tomorrow and see if you can get a little further. So I got my stopwatch here. Get yourself in position. And here we go. Good. All right, halfway through. 40 more. I'm pretty proud of myself. Good job. All right, well, we did it. Just finished up the workout for today. So let's do a little warm down from the workout that we just did. We're gonna help our muscles recover. You can do this for as long as you'd like. I'm just gonna do, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 seconds of this. So I can keep this kind of short. I just want to say I really appreciate you guys coming back and working out with me. It's always much fun. It's always a lot of fun when you do it with other people. And I know I'm in here all by myself, but I feel like I'm with all of you. All right. Okay. So, I hope to see you guys back again tomorrow, where we'll continue on. We're in week 3 of our 30-day plan. This week we're just going to do 20 reps of each exercise, and we'll take it from there. So please, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit me a like, maybe share it with some of your friends. Leave me a comment, let me know how I'm doing. Tell me what you'd like to see me do and what you want me to eliminate. Constructive criticism is always welcome. So until tomorrow, ciao.